Oh, hey everybody. I'm playing this game that I found online. It's your own color dominoes made with popsicle sticks. It was pretty easy to make, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, now that you've seen how to make your own, you can play the game. Here's how to play. You're going to match up the ends of the sticks with the same color. They have to kiss each other, and you can create all kinds of fun patterns. If you want to make it a little more challenging, you could do shapes. I made this one by cutting out a piece of colored construction paper and gluing it to the end of the popsicle stick. Have fun, enjoy, and be creative. Bye!